Hey guys, so I am out. I'm gonna take my managers out for lunch, but before I meet up with them, I stop by the mall and I'm gonna see what kind of appreciation gift that I can find for them. So let's go see what we can find. Look at this beautiful like backdrop back here, so pretty. Okay, so we stopped by Tiffany Co. and they actually had the wine glasses available that I was looking for. So I'm going to gift them a pair of red wine glasses. So exciting to give them that. So I went out to do some shopping for my managers, decided to get them a appreciation gift, and while I was there in Tiffany, I decided to pick up a few things. So I wanted to unbox this with you all and show you what I brought home. So let's dive in. This item here was actually a repurchase item, meaning that I did purchase one earlier in the year, but I did not use it. And my daughter ended up taking it to use it. So I actually went to repurchase another one. It's actually a pocket agenda. They're really cute. They fit in my purse. And they do come in handy. I absolutely love it. In the back there, I love that it has like area for notes, different areas for notes there. So okay, so this item here, I am actually redoing my sitting area, and I wanted to purchase a new book to go on the table. And in that sitting area, I have the Tiffany blue colors mixed in with a little black. So I thought this would be perfect to go with the on the coffee table. It's beautiful. I love that it has the case there. Very nice. And such a perfect size for my table. Okay, so this one's here is so exciting to add more to my collection. These here, I purchased some earlier in the year and I absolutely love them. They're hidden under there. It's their newer collection, the Diamond Point collection. I love these when I have company over or just having a nice event or a celebration. Absolutely, just beautiful. It's the crystal glass wine, and it's the Diamond Point, the new Diamond Point collection. So I absolutely love these. They're perfect to set a table. Down here it shows like the Tiffany Co. They're so cute. Love them. Perfect.